Mr. Venkat Swami's dream was always there that we should provide quality education to all the students of these institutions, and they must come out with flying colors. This was one of the reasons why he ensured that faculty in these institutions are the most important backbone of the institutions. It is their efforts which has resulted in many of the students coming out in flying colors from these educational institutions. I was really surprised, and nowadays I see this more often, that wherever I'm going and meeting people, many of them come forward and say, "Sir, all studied in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar educational institutions, and we have become very successful in life, and it's all because of the quality of education we received in these institutions." My father, Mr. late Venkat Swami, actually went to great extent, as many of the faculty members and students have spoken recently about him. He went to great extent to see that all problems and hurdles which come in the way of running an institution are resolved amicably, and nowhere there are some problems which create to see that education suffers. So we are also in the same, the education imparted to the students is very meaningful, because ultimately when students pass out of these institutions, they should be well groomed, they should have good communication skills, and they should be able to converse and create an impact wherever they go in life. So it is important that all the students, because many people keep asking me, "Sir, you are a medical doctor, you went into business, then you went into politics. How are you able to manage so many different modes of life?" The only thing I tell them is, I got a very good education in my school. My faculty members were very helpful. They were very strict with us. They always used to say, discipline is the essence of life. So any educational institution, we have to ensure that there is discipline. And when discipline is enforced, students must realize that it is for their benefit. It is not for the benefit of the faculty or the management. It is for the benefit of the students, that when there is discipline in life, you can achieve any goal you want to achieve. I have seen many people coming up from good institutions where they know how to communicate, they know how to do good time management, they know how to respect their teachers, and they have set goals for themselves in life, saying that this is what I want to achieve in life. So I want all the students from these educational institutions to have a goal for themselves, what they want to achieve. And once you are determined and you work towards it, you can definitely achieve it. So my simple message to all the students, please work hard, please be disciplined, and please develop the habit of having the determination to achieve your goals. It's only when you have that determination that you will be able to achieve these goals. And my request to all the faculty members is, students studying in these institutions, they are from a weaker sections of society. It is our duty to see that we mold them into good individuals and good nationals. We have just seen how the war veterans were speaking about what they can do to the extent of safeguarding the interests of the country. So for a teacher, the most important essence of their life is to produce good children, to feel happy later on in life when they meet good students who are coming out of these institutions. At least my faculty members in the school I studied, I still have the opportunity of going and greeting them on their birthdays and various occasions. And the teachers feel very happy that yes, we have been able to produce good students. So I'm sure all the teachers who have this goal in mind will definitely cooperate, help the students in turning out to be good individuals in life. It is only when they come out of good schooling, college education, that we can find successful individuals across the nation. So with these few words, I want to once again congratulate the correspondent, the secretary, the staff and the faculty of these institutions to put in their efforts to see that despite many hurdles, despite many problems, you are all working very hard to see that students come out in flying colors. Once again, congratulations and all the best to you all. Thank you very much.